Welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you whether it is possible to delete your transfer history in Remitly or not using a mobile device. Make sure to stay until the end for all the steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, or tap on Manage icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu options, select Transfer History. Scroll through your list of transfers to find the one you wish to review. Tap on the specific transfer to view its details. Please be aware that while you can view and review your transfer history in Remitly, deleting transfer record is not an option. Remitly retains transaction data for compliance and record-keeping purposes. If you wish to delete all your transaction history, you can do it by permanently closing your profile. And that's it. You know how to view and manage your transfer history in Remitly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick finance tutorials. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.